Hi guys, welcome back. I lied. I said we are going to be making a scanner to scan different items at the store, but we're doing something a lot more fun and we're going to be designing the pizza program. So this is something that if you actually worked at the shop and you were like, I don't know, a software developer at Domino's or something, you could design this program for them on their website or even to use in store. So we're on our 9th Java tutorial and we're going to be continuing with for loops with another real world application with for loops. And so in our previous video we discussed that for loops have once again the parentheses for the contingency, and it will repeat this section of code with curly brackets as long as contingency is true, and while loops and for loops both allow you to repeat a section of code while contingency is true, both for loops you can add more control and customization by initiating the first byte that you like to start at. The checking condition on this will basically make sure that the number is less than this value and increment you'd like to add. And basically there's two situations when you use the for loop. One is if you just want to display the numbers from like A to B, so from like 6 to 70 or from 1 to 5. And another reason you use the for loop is if you want to repeat a certain section of code this many times, like you just want to say hello 5 times or something, that's when you use that. So welcome, we're going to be making our pizza program. So I'm just going to be taking away all the stuff and doing the same thing. So we will be using our scanner class here. So let's import java.util.scanner, and we have a package declaration and a class declaration. And so first we're going to be, let's name our scanner. So scanner pizza is equal to new scanner system dot. Oh my gosh, you guys sound such a long way, probably like have it memorized already. And so we're basically creating an object of the scanner class to be used specifically in our program. And the scanner class already exists from the Java library from Java APIs over time. Now we're going to be first asking them how many toppings they want. So system get out welcome to, what do we call it? The pizzeria. How many toppings would you? Right. Okay. After that, we're going to say we want to take user input from our customer and say that the next value that they put in, we want to store as a variable. So we're going to say number of toppings. I probably make it lowercase. Number of toppings, and this is going to be int, so you have to have whole number of toppings is equal to the scanner name. So before we use in.next, but because that was the name of scanner, but here a scanner name is pizza, so we're going to be using that. So pizza dot next int. So we just store the value that they put as the number of toppings we want. And now we're going to repeat a loop that many times. And in a loop, with the after contingency is true, we're going to be asking them if they what topping they specifically want. So in our first video we did I was talking about the two scenarios. In the first video we did more of the simple scenario where we just we want to display numbers from 1 to 10, and in this video we're doing the scenario where we just want to repeat a certain section of code this many times, so we have to use the for loop. So we're going to be adding a for loop. Okay. Now we're going to add a for loop. For something is 2, we just add the curly brackets right now 2. And as we learned in the last video, we have to put a semicolon inside the curly brackets. So what you want to say is true. So for I is equal to 1 because you start one side with 1. And then what do you want the last, how many times do you want to repeat the section of code that asks them what's the next topping? You want to repeat it this many times, right? The number of toppings times, that's how to enter the how many toppings have. So for I is less than or equal to, and then let's type in the variable number of toppings, tipping. Remember to give your pizza now tip. Number of toppings, and what, and we just like to do I++. Sorry. And also we're going to initiate the variable I. So int I, and once again the default value 0, but then we change it to 1 here. And if this is true, what we like to do is just get out the println what topping do you want? And there we have it. So why don't I just go ahead and first I'll run it so you can kind of understand it more, and then I'll go with you what we did here. So welcome to a pizzeria. How many toppings would you like? Let's say I'm just a really rich person, kind of so successful with the tech career, and I'm really fat and super hungry too. So I just really love eating food. So I'm just a really big foodie. So I could do 30 toppings, but I'll take too much time. So I'll just say 10 toppings. And it will ask me how many toppings I want 10 times. And that, it just asks you what topping you want 10 times, but we also need to store this. So how are we going to do that? So we need to store the value. So to do that, we're just going to say int topping for that we're going to be using an array. So I will do another video when we introduce arrays, because it's a perfect scenario when you use an array. So I'll introduce you to that soon, and see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.